Hello, we're back again. We're here to do day 11 through 15 of the Missouri Star Advent Calendar. It's been great so far. We've gotten some really fun stuff, and I haven't been disappointed at all. Have you?
Nope, have not. Nope, there isn't anything in here that we've opened so far, the first 10, that I would say was a definite fail. Nope,
Yep.
not at
Nope.
all.
Me
And
either.
the other thing that might be people may notice, we recorded this all at once, so that's why we're wearing the same outfits. Okay? We did it all in
Yes.
one in a couple of hours one day.
Yes, Russ, we're wearing the same clothes.
Yes, we are. So there you go. I should have
Love you,
worn
Russ.
an ugly Christmas sweater. Um,
And
but
today I'm going to consider all of these my birthday present because we're releasing this on the
that's
15th,
right.
and the 15th is my birthday. So
That's right. So
it's all about me
29,
today.
29 again. Yeah.
Yep. 29 for the 18th time.
Okay. Okay, let's get into it before I get into trouble. Here.
All right. Sounds
All right.
good.
So this is
Number
number
11.
11. It is a box. Doesn't rattle. It's not that
No.
heavy, but not that light.
Mm-mm.
I don't know. I have no guesses.
I'm still
Coasters?
going for the coaster theory at some point
And
because we've
I'm
gotten mugs. I
definitely
feel like we should be getting coasters.
I'm definitely boxed. Oh, I'm looking at the edge. We were saying we have a wood theme. Oh, oh, this is cute.
Um, I okay. What is it this year? All the wood stuff I like.
Yeah, I know.
All
Okay,
right,
it's
you ready
ready
to
to
show?
show? Yep.
Yeah.
Little wooden box with the
So
Missouri
we've got
Star.
a Missouri Star block on the front of a wooden box. It is gorgeous.
It is the lid is magnetic.
Yep.
So, and when you open it up in oops, I drop it on the side, there's something in it.
There
And
are two hand stitching needles and a needle threader and a magnet plate in there.
yeah,
So it's a cute little box that you can keep your hand stitching things in. And the lid has these four, and the box has these four little spots on the corners to make it magnetic. So that is really nice.
that is cool. Um, yeah, I could see if you want to take some handwork with you. I wonder if
Mhm.
this kind of goes with the hexy things
That's what I was wondering too.
with it. Yeah, but it's nice quality. The wooden
Yeah,
box,
I could see
that's
actually
nice.
putting like a thimble in here. Maybe that little pair of snips that we got could fit in the big side.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. See, they do usually have carryover from one gift to another gift.
Mhm.
It's sort of like a puzzle. You put it all together. So
Yeah.
yeah, those scissors would fit in there.
Yep.
You've got this. Oh yeah, okay. I see that.
Okay. I
Okay.
really, really like this. I'm going to give this a 5.
I'm not. I'm
Okay.
gonna. I mean, it's nice quality. I can see the practicality of it. For me, I'm going to give it a 3.5
All right.
because I have a feeling I will never use it.
And see,
That's
I've
it.
started into cross stitch and hexie, so I think I will
Yeah.
use this.
Oh,
So,
I just thought something. My sister cross stitches. I wonder if
there
this would
you
be
go.
something she'd be interested in. I'll have to see.
Yeah.
That might be. So I'm going to upgrade about 3.5. I'm going to upgrade it to 4 because I see the potential for this for giving it as a gift to somebody.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I
yeah,
love the magnet inside because I am forever losing my needles.
it's a good magnet too. They don't come out.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that too. Yeah, okay. I definitely am going to give that a 4. And are you giving it a 5?
I'm giving it a 5. I love it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
mine's a 4, yours a 5. I'm keeping tally here. All right. So,
All right. So that was
yep,
11. So
that
now
was
we're going to
11.
do
12.
12.
Okay. I know what this is.
I think
Embroidery
what we
hoop.
just talked about, it might
Yeah.
be.
I think it's an embroidery hoop. And I think
I
there's
think
some
so too. And I think
right.
maybe finally that embellishment kit is going to make sense.
Ah, right. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, it's
Or maybe not as far as the embellishment,
no.
but okay.
Oh, it's kind of a cute little
This
thing.
is cute.
And I'm looking at are you looking at the picture? that shows you.
Okay, now this, if you don't like this could be a good gift with that last thing for your sister.
Yeah, just thinking of that too.
Okay, you
So,
ready to show? Okay,
yep.
I'm going to show this a piece at a time. I'm going to show the pattern
Okay.
first.
I got in the package. So it's an embroidery kit.
So it's an embroidery kit, and this is the pillow that they gave us last year with all the
Yeah.
buttons.
Yeah.
And
Did
this
you
year
ever
they
do
gave us
that?
this little wall hanging embroidery kit.
Did you ever do that pillow last year?
Nope, I gave that to somebody.
Me neither.
I thought it was gorgeous, but I just don't have the patience to put on all those buttons.
Yeah. I
But
had thought,
this I would have more patience with because it's actually stitching.
and you want to know something? I might actually try this myself
Yeah.
because
So I'm going to show you guys what else came with it. So they gave us the cloth, which is all printed, and they gave us the thread. So you're going to stitch over all that. And there's also a few beads that are going to go on this in certain spots. And it tells you in the instructions where to put them. And then there's a hoop to work on it. And then they gave us the frame to put it in after.
yeah,
So I really like this.
I think this is a great little kit with
Yes.
everything that's in there. And combining that with the little wooden box for your needles and your
Mhm.
snips, I don't know if I will give this away. I might actually try this
Yep. Actually, I'm going to do that right now is put these little beads in the box.
in the legs. And there we go.
That way I don't lose them. But so they've given us the needles, the needle threader, the beads, the box to hold everything, and then the kit. So
Yeah.
the fact that all this goes together, okay, it's definitely a 5 because I had the box as a 5 before, and I love the fact that all this is going together.
And you want to know something? They're showing that pillow from last year,
Mhm.
and I'll bet you the idea is it coordinates with the pillow
Yeah.
if you want
Yeah.
to put the two projects kind of together. Yeah, I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to try it. Um,
Awesome.
so the heck with my sister. She don't mind that. Okay, so I'm going to give it 4 out of 5.
Nice.
What are you giving it?
I'm going to give the whole thing a 5 out of 5 because I really
Okay.
like the idea that all this goes together and I love this project.
Yeah. And the only reason I'm giving it one less is because it does entice me. Will I get to it? I
Yeah.
don't have a lot of patience for hand sewing, hand embroidery, but I have been thinking about giving that more of a try. So who knows? Maybe this will convert me and I'll be next thing it'll be Sue Spargo or something, and I'll be doing stuff on wool. Yeah, I'll just be going crazy. Okay, that was 12. So
12. Now we
13
are on to 13. It's
kind of
squishy.
squishy. It's a Chuck the Duck sponge. No.
I
Um,
have no guess on this one because it doesn't feel like anything
and
I've felt before.
it's irregular
Yeah.
in shape. Okay. Oh, well, I was semi right. Oh, okay.
You said Chuck the Duck.
Yep. You ready?
Yes. All
There's
right.
the duck.
They are mat scrubbers for your cutting mats,
Yeah.
which he said Chuck the Duck and he wasn't wrong.
No.
So we
And
got a star and we got a Chuck the Duck mat scrubber. Those are really cute.
and I bought uh not as cute as these, but I bought one of these scrubbers to try, and they do work. They
Yeah.
do work. So I will use these. I will definitely use these. And because they're great they pick up the little threads that you can't really see that get buried into your self-healing mat.
Yes.
And they do a good job. Though at least the one that I bought did. In fact, I don't know where I put that one. So good, I got new ones with it. But I'm because these are very practical, they're cute, and they do work. I'm giving them 5 out of 5.
I'm going to give them a 4 out of 5. I
Okay.
really like them. So I'm really excited to play with them and I just think it's hilarious that you said Chuck the Duck and there he was.
Yep. Yep. So yeah, 5 out of 5 for me, 4 out of 5 uh for you.
Yep.
Okay. So that takes us to 14 is heavy.
14. And 14 is heavy. Yeah,
And it does bounce.
it does.
Um,
Mm.
Coffee mug. Well, it's not really tall enough.
It would, yeah, it would be a really narrow, like skinny one if it was.
So let's
Let's see.
see. Let's check this out. I'm bag challenged. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay. I have some of these already, not this set.
okay. I didn't expect that.
And this one includes everyday and Christmas blocks.
Mhm.
You ready?
Yep.
It's one of those builder sets, quilt builder card decks.
Well, builder card deck, but it's a special Missouri Star Company special edition one. So it's
Yeah.
got, I'm sure there's a Missouri, yeah, there's Missouri Star in here, but like Steven said, it has everyday blocks and Christmas blocks.
Yeah. Now I have a couple of these
Hmm.
that I was just looking around my shelf to see them that, and I have very seldom used them,
Hmm.
but because I kind of forget I have them. But what's appealing to me about this one is everyday and Christmas blocks
Yeah, and
in
there's
here.
actually a Christmas set out this year, but I didn't get it. So I'm kind of excited to have this and see the different blocks in here.
I should use these more for, designing my quilts
Hmm.
because they're great for inspiration.
Yes.
Looking at them and learning, and they have all the instructions on how to do the blocks and stuff on them. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5.
I am as well. 4 out of 5 for me as well. I do like it. Nice.
Yeah. So you gave it 4, I gave it 4, and so that takes us to number 15.
Now this one
Hmm.
feels like a book.
It's light.
Yeah, it's lightweight. I think it's too lightweight to be a book, but it's the shape of a book.
I think it's a box of something, but
Yeah.
nothing's rattling in it.
Yeah.
So it's
Let's see.
okay. Is it just me or my hands don't work? Okay, I've got it.
It's another box inside of the bag, so I don't know what it
Oh, it's a box in a box.
is.
Okay. I
Oh.
haven't got. Why do they make things so hard to get apart? This little
Just for
rubber
you,
thing.
Steven. They did it just for you.
Okay. Oh, oh,
Okay, I like this.
okay. I'm not sure what the heck it is.
You'll see once you pull one out.
Okay. I guess. Okay, you ready to show?
Yep, they're ornaments.
Oh, I thought they were like for snuff. I was going to say cocaine, but like, or earrings?
Okay, you guys, this is why I like opening this with him.
I was thinking here. Oh, I feel like I'm in one of those
So,
countries where they wear big jewelry. Yeah.
so we've got this beautiful blue one, and now I can't keep a straight face.
Oh, and actually, you match that up with where'd
And
they
we've got
go?
this beautiful red one. And if you guys go back and watch previous box openings, or if you got this box, the
It's a whole ensemble. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's me.
these match the coffee mugs that we've gotten in the past, the red and the blue. Oh my gosh, I can't unsee that.
So, so they're ornaments. Okay, they're heavy though.
They are.
Make sure you got a branch that's strong, but
Yes.
okay.
So
Um,
these match the coffee mugs we got the last couple years because we got a blue coffee mug and a red coffee mug, and they're made of the same ceramic and they have the decorations on them like those. So,
now I have another idea for these.
yes.
Okay. I don't think I'd use them as Christmas tree ornaments, but because it doesn't fit my aesthetic. but on my Christmas tree. But I would take the ribbon and the bells off of these, and I would put these near my stove and as a spoon rest.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yep.
And they are made of like the ceramic, like stoneware.
Ceramic.
You could do
Yep.
that for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I use it for. Now, if they were only a little bigger, they'd be a nice little coaster for your coffee mug. Of course, if you
Yeah.
want to be European and drink a little espresso in the little tiny
Yeah.
demi-tasses or whatever they
They're
are.
perfect for a shot glass.
Oh, yeah, because I just hate it when my shot glass makes rings on my coffee table.
I know, right?
They're
But
nice
they're so cute.
quality.
I love them.
Yeah. And
So,
yeah, I'm just thinking of all the fun uses I can have for them, which are for none of them nothing that's they're intended for. I still like the earring idea, but
this was the
so
best gift because it was so much fun to listen to all the ideas that Stephen had.
yeah. So what did you say you're giving it?
Let me think. I would say a 4 out of 5.
I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 because I have a feeling they're just going to sit in the box. Even though I had these other ideas for them, I might use them as a spoon rest, but or I could train Walter to use a spoon rest. That would be good instead of just putting it on top of the ceramic top of the stove.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I'm gonna give them a 3. They're nice quality. You're giving it a 4.
Yeah.
Okay,
I think they're
so
really good quality. And I like the box that they're in too because it's a nice
yeah,
sturdy box.
yeah, I do like the box.
Yeah.
It sounds like a kid, a little baby, You give them a
Right.
present and they want to play with the bag or
They don't want to play
whatever.
with the gift. They want to play with the box. Yeah.
Box. Yeah. So yeah, it brings back the childhood. So our average rate here is about 4.5 for
Awesome.
everything on for days 11 to 15. So time to pick our favorite.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
Well, apparently for me, I'm going with
Yeah,
the wood theme.
I thought you would.
Yeah.
Thought you would. Oh, funny. Okay, so ready?
Yep.
I'm going with
So
these because they're very practical.
they are very practical. I love them. I really love this box. I love things that look like they're like handmade, and
Yep.
I love this. And like I said, because I'm doing cross stitch and things like that now, it's going to be practical for me.
Yep. Yep. I can see that with it, but
Mhm.
these ones float my boat more because I'm all about cleanliness. But
Yeah. Yeah.
um,
Well,
okay.
that was fun.
That one was those ones were fun ones. So
Yeah.
okay, so that has taken us up to day 15 now. So our next one comes out on December the 20th.
Mhm.
And for numbers 16 to 20. So tune in then for more fun with the Missouri Star Quilt Christmas box unboxing, whatever. You know what I mean. Okay, we'll see you next time.
Bye.